Yes friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. Friends, this is 2 marks question or very short question from intermediate second year zoology. Okay friends, this is from breathing and exchange of gases unit 1B friends. What is our question friends? What is the effect of pCO2 on oxygen transport? Friends, what is the effect of pCO2 on oxygen transport? Here, what is pCO2, friends? Partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Friends, what is pCO2? Partial pressure of carbon dioxide. What is the effect of partial pressure of carbon dioxide on oxygen transport? Friends, now come to our answer. See friends, pCO2 means partial pressure. Please no need to write this in the exam friends, this is for you. pCO2 means what friends? Partial pressure of carbon dioxide. This is in mmHg. Now come to answer friends. pCO2 plays an important role in the transport of oxygen. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide plays an important role in the transport of carbon dioxide. How friends? See friends, a rise in pCO2 decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. Friends, if partial pressure of carbon dioxide increases in the blood, automatically hemoglobin shows less affinity to oxygen. See friends, a rise in pCO2 decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. Once again friends, if partial pressure of carbon dioxide increases in the blood, automatically hemoglobin shows less affinity to oxygen. Once again friends, a rise in pCO2 decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. See friends, here this is for neat friends. At tissues, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 45 mmHg. See friends, the partial pressure of oxygen is 40 mmHg. See friends, at tissues, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is more and the partial pressure of oxygen is less. Once again friends, this is for neat and MSET friends. At tissues, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 45 mmHg. The partial pressure of oxygen is 40 mmHg. Means there the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is more. So because of that, what happened friends? The carbon dioxide combined with the hemoglobin. So hemoglobin shows less affinity to the oxygen. Okay friends. Once again friends, a rise in pCO2 decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. Next point friends, you have to write in reverse direction. Friends, a fall in pCO2. Friends, if carbon dioxide partial pressure decreases, a fall in pCO2 increases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. See friends, in the lungs, during respiration what happens? During inhalation, air enters into the lungs. The inhaled air contains more oxygen friends. So in the lung surface, see, the pCO2 is less friends, 40 mmHg and partial pressure of oxygen is 104 mmHg. So a fall in pCO2 increases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. So wherever the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is less, there what happens friends? Oxygen combines with the hemoglobin. Wherever the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is more, hemoglobin combines with the carbon dioxide friends. Okay friends, now you see friends, therefore oxygen is transported in blood as oxyhemoglobin. When pCO2 increases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen, when a fall in pCO2, see friends, a fall in pCO2, a decrease in pCO2 increases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. Due to this what happened friends? Therefore the oxygen is transported in blood as oxyhemoglobin, that is HbO2. In the lungs, what happens, friends? Due to inhalation, due to inspiration, the inhaled air has more pCO2 and less carbon dioxide. Due to that, what happens, friends? The hemoglobin combined with the oxygen and forms oxyhemoglobin. So the oxygen is transported in the blood as oxyhemoglobin, that is HbO2, and in the tissues it dissociates at the tissues as oxygen and hemoglobin. See friends, tissues, what happened in the tissues? The pCO2 is more, friends. So then the oxyhemoglobin dissociates into hemoglobin and oxygen. This is useful to us, friends. Because of this only cells get oxygen. Okay friends, once again you see, friends, what is our question? What is the effect of pCO2 on oxygen transport? What is the effect of pCO2 on oxygen transport? Friends, pCO2 means partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Okay, pCO2 plays an important role in the transport of oxygen. First point you have to write, a rise in pCO2 decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. You have to write this word only, friends. A rise in pCO2, a rise in partial pressure of carbon dioxide decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. Okay friends, same you have to write, a fall in pCO2 increases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. A rise in pCO2 decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. A fall in pCO2 increases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. Due to this, what happens, friends? Therefore, the oxygen is transported in the blood as oxyhemoglobin. Friends, hemoglobin plus oxygen gives rise to HbO2, that is called as oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin reaches to the tissues where the pCO2 is more. Then what happens, friends? And dissociate, this oxyhemoglobin separates into HbO2, gives rise to what, friends? Oxygen and hemoglobin. HbO2 modifies into what, friends? Hb plus O2. Okay friends, this is the effect of partial pressure on oxygen transport. Okay friends, thank you, good day.